So I added 3 days in one walk because I don't want to share too much. So it's about 4/19 and 21st November. Did homework and delivered our orders. I just wanted to end this challenge as soon as possible. I will start making Islamic content, inshallah, in which I share Quran and Hadith references. I have a lot of talks about Islam as because after getting knowledge from Allah, things become easier and easier. Many people said to me that you are the one who would not support logon ka din. Yeah, definitely, because me as a Muslim again research that why I am a Muslim. I always told my students that use your mind. Allah proud on us. He created everything and only proud on us. Like, is we really at that position to make our creator proud? Allah not need us, but we need Allah always. Moreover, instant following your daddy or mommy footstep. Search HUQ why Allah sent Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam to tell the Jahil people to be believe in Allah alone. Also told to the Mormons that if that your own loved one will against you. Only because of Islam, they want to make their dunya a success through Western trends. So normalizing Muslim as its first. Like if we not follow culture or stupid society, they call us sin ki ek hi baar milti hai, enjoy karo. Okay. Your life purpose is to make your nafs happy that will be die soon. Instead of making your society, nafs, shaitan, Israel, America, Pakistan happy, start to live for Allah who will never die. He is keeper, protector, helper, provider, more and more. At the end of this vlog, that Islam is a lifestyle, life goal, how to live, why you're in this dunya, what's your purpose. Allah sirf ek hai जो हमेशा रहेगा, आप सिर्फ एक इंसान हैं जो मर जाएंगे।